Insects are everywhere. They crawl, they fly, they buzz. They are the smallest animals on Earth, but they are very important. Insects help plants to grow. They give us food. They keep our world healthy. Let's take a closer look at the hidden world of insects. We will learn about ants, bees, and ladybugs. These tiny creatures are full of surprises. They work hard. They have special skills. They teach us about nature. Come along on this micro-adventure. We will discover amazing things. Ants are amazing builders. They are small but incredibly strong and organized. Each ant has a specific role to play in the construction of their nest. Some ants dig, some carry materials, and others protect the nest from intruders. This teamwork is what makes their nests so intricate and well-structured. They work together to build their homes. The process is highly coordinated, with each ant knowing exactly what to do. This cooperation is essential for the survival of the colony. Without it, the nest would not be as strong or as efficient. These homes are called ant nests or ant hills. Ants dig tunnels underground. These tunnels are not just random, they are carefully planned and constructed to ensure the safety and efficiency of the colony. The tunnels provide ventilation, protect the ants from predators, and help regulate the temperature inside the nest. These tunnels connect different parts of the nest. They create a complex network that allows ants to move quickly and efficiently from one area to another. This network is essential for the colony's daily activities, such as foraging for food, caring for the young, and defending the nest. Some tunnels lead to the queen's chamber. The queen is the most important member of the colony. She is responsible for laying eggs and ensuring the survival of the colony. The queen's chamber is usually located deep within the nest, protected by multiple layers of tunnels and worker ants. The queen ant lays eggs. These eggs will hatch into larvae, which will eventually become adult ants. The queen can lay thousands of eggs in her lifetime, ensuring the continuous growth and survival of the colony. The worker ants take care of the eggs and larvae, feeding them and keeping them safe. Other tunnels lead to food storage chambers. These chambers are used to store the food that the ants collect. The food is carefully organized and stored to ensure that the colony has enough to eat, even during times when food is scarce. Ants collect food and bring it back to the nest. They work tirelessly to gather enough food to sustain the colony. This food can include seeds, insects, and even small animals. The ants use their strong jaws to carry the food back to the nest, where it is stored in the food chambers. They share the food with other ants. This sharing is crucial for the survival of the colony. The ants feed each other through a process called trophallaxis, where they pass food from mouth to mouth. This ensures that every member of the colony gets the nutrients they need to survive. Leafcutter ants are very interesting. They have a unique way of gathering food. Instead of foraging for seeds or insects, they cut pieces of leaves and carry them back to their nests. These leaves are not eaten directly, but are used for a special purpose. They cut pieces of leaves and carry them to their nests. The leaves are carefully selected and cut into manageable pieces. The ants then carry these pieces back to the nest, where they are used to cultivate a special type of fungus. They use the leaves to grow a special fungus. This fungus is the primary food source for the leafcutter ants. The ants carefully tend to the fungus, ensuring that it has the right conditions to grow. They even produce antibiotics to protect the fungus from harmful bacteria. This fungus is their food. The leafcutter ants rely on this fungus for their nutrition. They harvest the fungus and feed it to the colony, ensuring that every member has enough to eat. This unique relationship between the ants and the fungus is a fascinating example of mutualism in nature. Bees are important for pollination. Pollination helps plants make seeds. Bees fly from flower to flower. They collect a sweet liquid called nectar. Bees also collect pollen. Pollen is a powder that helps plants reproduce. Pollen sticks to the bee's furry body. When the bee visits another flower, some of the pollen falls off. This fertilizes the flower. Honeybees make honey from nectar. Honey is a sweet and sticky food. Bees store honey in their hives. Ladybugs are small round beetles. They're usually red or orange with black spots. Ladybugs are helpful insects. They protect plants by eating pests. Aphids are tiny insects that suck sap from plants. They can damage crops and gardens. Ladybugs love to eat aphids. One ladybug can eat thousands of aphids in its lifetime. Ladybugs also eat other soft-bodied insects. They help to control pest populations naturally. This helps farmers and gardeners protect their plants. Section 5. A world of hidden beauty. Insects may be small, but they are incredibly diverse and beautiful. Their colors, patterns, and shapes are fascinating. Some insects, like butterflies, have brightly colored wings. These colors can attract mates or warn predators. Other insects, like stick insects, use camouflage to blend in with their surroundings. They become almost invisible to predators. The beauty of insects reminds us that there is wonder to be found everywhere, even in the smallest creatures. Section 6. The crucial role of insects. Insects play a vital role in our ecosystem. They are not just tiny creatures that we often overlook or consider pests. In fact, their contributions are immense and indispensable. From the smallest ants to the most colorful butterflies, each insect has a unique role that supports the balance of nature. They are essential for pollination, decomposition, and food chains. Pollination, for instance, is a process where insects like bees transfer pollen from one flower to another, facilitating plant reproduction. Without this, many plants would fail to produce fruits and seeds, leading to a significant impact on our food supply. Pollination is crucial for plant reproduction. It ensures the survival of plant species and the production of fruits and vegetables that are vital for human consumption. Bees, butterflies, and other pollinators are responsible for the successful growth of many crops that we rely on daily. Without insects, many plants, including fruits and vegetables, would not be able to produce seeds. This would lead to a drastic reduction in food availability, affecting not only humans but also other animals that depend on these plants for sustenance. Decomposition is the process of breaking down dead plants and animals. Insects such as beetles and flies play a crucial role in this process. They help to break down organic matter, turning it into nutrients that enrich the soil and promote new plant growth. Insects, along with other decomposers, help to recycle nutrients back into the soil. This nutrient recycling is essential for maintaining soil health and fertility, which in turn supports plant growth and the entire ecosystem. Insects are also a food source for many animals, including birds, reptiles, and amphibians. They provide a rich source of protein and other nutrients that are vital for the survival of these animals. Without insects, many species would struggle to find enough food. They are an important link in the food chain. Insects support the diets of numerous animals, and their presence ensures the stability and health of various ecosystems. By understanding and appreciating the crucial role of insects, we can better protect and preserve the natural world around us. Section 7. Respecting our tiny neighbors. It is important to respect insects and their habitats. We can all do our part to protect these important creatures. We should avoid using pesticides that can harm insects. Instead, we can use natural pest control methods. We can create insect-friendly habitats in our gardens and communities. We can plant flowers that attract pollinators and provide shelter for beneficial insects. By learning about insects and appreciating their importance, we can all contribute to their conservation. Section 8. Exploring the microcosm. The world of insects is full of wonder and discovery. There is so much more to learn about these fascinating creatures. We can observe insects in their natural habitats. We can watch ants build their tunnels, bees collect pollen, and ladybugs hunt for aphids. We can also learn from scientists who study insects. Entomologists are constantly making new discoveries about insect behavior, ecology, and evolution. By exploring the microcosm of insects, we gain a greater appreciation for the complexity and interconnectedness of life on Earth. Section 9. A final word. The hidden world of insects is full of wonders. These tiny creatures, often overlooked, play crucial roles in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. Their vibrant colors and intricate patterns are not just for show. They serve as camouflage, warning signals, and mating displays. Each insect, no matter how small, has a unique story to tell. From the intricate tunnels of ants, which are marvels of engineering and teamwork, we learn about cooperation and community. Ants work tirelessly, each with a specific role, contributing to the colony's success. Their underground cities are complex networks that rival human architecture in their sophistication. To the busy buzzing of bees whose tireless work ensures the pollination of countless plants. Bees are not just honey producers, they are vital to our food supply. Without them, many of the fruits, vegetables, and nuts we enjoy would not exist. Their hives are bustling hubs of activity, each bee performing its duty with precision and dedication. These tiny creatures play a vital role in our world. They pollinate our plants, decompose organic matter, and recycle nutrients back into the soil. This decomposition process is essential for the health of our ecosystems, breaking down dead material and returning it to the earth where it can nourish new life, and provide food for other animals. Insects are a crucial part of the food web, serving as a primary food source for many birds, amphibians, and small mammals. Without insects, these animals would struggle to survive, leading to a cascade of effects throughout the ecosystem. As we have journeyed through this micro-adventure, we have witnessed the beauty, diversity, and importance of insects. From the rainforests to the deserts, insects have adapted to thrive in every environment on Earth. Their resilience and adaptability are truly remarkable. We have witnessed the beauty, diversity, and importance of insects. Ladybugs, with their bright red shells, are natural pest controllers, while dragonflies, with their agile flight, are skilled hunters. Each insect species has a role to play, contributing to the intricate web of life. Let us remember to appreciate these tiny creatures and protect their habitats. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure that insects continue to thrive. By preserving their natural habitats, we safeguard the delicate balance of our ecosystems and ensure the survival of countless species. The world of insects is a reminder that even the smallest creatures can have a profound impact on our planet. Their interactions, behaviors, and life cycles are all interconnected with the larger web of life. By studying and understanding insects, we gain insights into the health of our environment and the intricate connections that sustain it. Let us continue to explore, learn, and marvel at the wonders of the natural world. By fostering a sense of curiosity and respect for these tiny creatures, we can inspire future generations to protect and cherish the biodiversity that makes our planet so unique. The journey of discovery is never-ending, and the world of insects is just one of the many chapters in the story of life on Earth.